Hey there, Jay Johnson, windowpurchase.com. Welcome back for yet another video for your viewing pleasure. Anyway, the subject today is really a simple subject, but it's also a little complicated. I meet with a lot of clients. When you first talk to them on the phone, they say, well, maybe they got 4 windows, and you get there and it's 12. Or they say, well, I got 12 windows, and you get there and it's 4. So what constitute one window versus multiple windows? It really is going to depend on the style. And here's a good example. Behind me is what's called a triple casement or a 3-light casement. These are actually 3 individual windows because, and here's the key, this main frame and sash is one window. This has a main frame and a sash. This has a main frame and a sash. In this system, there is not one main frame that's shared by all 3 windows. Now, some companies do that, but keep in mind that changes the performance ratings, because typically when windows are tested through performance ratings through like AMA or the NFRC, it's not on multiple assemblies, it's on each individual window. So when a company like this gives you a rating on their window, even though there's 3 in here, that's still the real rating. It doesn't change or get dumbed down because it's still 3 windows. And that's the difference. So I'm going to move the camera and I'm going to show you another display. Bear with me. Just about there. So what we have here is called a 2-light slider. They also make 3-light sliders. This is a 2-light slider because this panel slides, this panel slides. If it was a 3-light slider, there'd be a 3rd panel that's either fixed or slides. And what makes this one window is it's shared by one mainframe. And that's also the way it's tested. So the test it is the test it is. It doesn't change. It doesn't become a multiple assembly because that's how it's tested to start with. So once again, if it has a shared mainframe, it's one window, whether there's 2 or 3 panels within that opening. But like the triple casement I showed you, if it's 3 separate windows with 3 separate sashes supported by 3 separate mainframes, that's what makes it 3 windows or 2 windows or whatever. Anyway, I hope that helps. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and look for my new book coming out this year, Shopping for Windows 101. Thank you so much.